Hello, dear students. Welcome everybody. In the class of voice change, in the previous classes, you have known about the voice changes. Now, I am going to discuss about how you can change the voice from active to passive. So you should keep in mind all the structures of tense are active voice. And using the mathematical theory, we can alter it from active to passive. So firstly, you everybody know present tense, present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So the structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus verb present form plus object. And you everybody know that a simple sentence has uh, at least three parts: subject plus verb plus object. Extension may be or may not be, it doesn't matter. However, we take the simple sentence, I do the work. So here subject plus verb present form plus object. I, here subject plus do verb plus the work object. Okay, so to change it from all the tenses are active voice, and to change it into passive voice, so object first object, then am is are, am is am or is or are, then verb present form, then by. Simply by is used in passive voice or others may be used. Then subject, possessive form of subject. So using this mathematical like structure, we will change the word I do the work from active to passive. All the structures of tense are active voice. So I do the work. First the work object. The work. The work. The work singular. So here e will be used. Is will be used. The work is do. Here do is present form. So past participle is done. The work is done. According to the structure, then by. By. Subject here is I. What is the possessive form of subject I? That is me. You everybody know. So me. So the work is done by me. This is very clear. Then present continuous tense, subject plus am is are plus verb with ing plus object. You everybody know subject. What is the structure of present continuous tense? Subject plus am is are plus verb ing plus object. So sentences I am doing the work. Here using the mathematical like structure or theory, you may change it. So object first, okay, object first. The work is singular, so is will be used. So here is the work is if the then you have to object first. So here a structure will be object plus am is R. Up to here same. M is R plus being. B-E-I-N-G. In continuous tense, in passive form, being have to be used. So being. Okay, then by, then possessive form. Then possessive form of subject. Okay, using the structure, change it. The work is being. B-E-I-N-G, being. Past participle form to done by. Possessive form of I, me. 3. Clear. Then the structure of present perfect tense, you everybody know that subject plus have or has plus past participle plus object. So the sentence is I have done the work, and using the structure of passive form of present perfect tense, we will alternate the simple word I do the work. Okay. So here object first. Here have has, right? Have has. Same. Have has, same. Right there, right. Have has. Then we have to use been only. B-E-N, been. Then by. Then subject. That is possessive form of subject. I am not writing that one, in the previous you have seen it. So using this structure, alternate it. The work singular. So here has the word has, then been. The work has been. Past participle of do, done. The work has been done by, then I, possessive form of I, me. By me. Okay, full stop. So clear. Using this mathematical like theory, easily you can change from active voice to passive voice, and you should keep in mind that all the structure or all the tenses are active voice. All the tenses are active voice. And now the 4 points of present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. What is the structure? Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb with ing plus object. So I have been doing the work for 3 hours. Here in present perfect continuous tense, since or for. Why since is used? A fixed time. If the time is fixed, then since will be used. For is for a period of time. A period of time. To understand a period of time, for is used. So however, the sentence is I have been doing the work for 3 hours. So using, we will change, we will write, firstly we will write the passive structure. So object first, then write down same, in the same, have has here. have or has. Okay, here been, okay, write down been. Present perfect continuous tense is also a continuous tense. Present perfect tense is also continuous tense. So in that sense, being will be used in passive voice. So subject plus have, has, been, same. Subject plus have, has plus been in active form. Right, first. Because it is also continuous tense, and in all continuous tense, in passive voice, being will be used, and in every perfect tense, BW and been will be used in passive voice. So it is also continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. So in that sense, being will be used. You have the am is a plus being. Okay, being. So it is also continuous tense. So in that sense, being will be used. Subject plus have, has, been plus being, being. Then past verb past participle. Then by. Then subject. Possessive form of subject. Okay, alter it from active to passive. The word, then have or has is used for in singular form. The word has, then been, the work has been, then write being. The work has been being, past participle, done, then used by, subject, possessive form of subject, me. So dear students, this is very easy to you. Like using this mathematical theory at home, you may change the active voice from passive, at least 12 structure of voice. Okay, thank you. See you, try at home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.